Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. We are from Qualification Club. We'll be presenting our poster about our innovation 3-stage auto damper in HVAC.
This is introduction of innovation. The innovation of 3-stage auto damper as a teaching aid to be used in teaching and learning process for the MC 211 direct rate control known as DDC course. Survey had been made based on the interviews from the courses teachers in vocational college. Majority of them were having obstacle in preparing the teaching and learning aids for teaching and learning process. So the idea had been developed by the researchers to create 3-stage auto damper as teaching aids, which the dampers movement are based on the temperature sensor in 3 different ranges.
Problem statement. A survey have been made based on questionnaire to the teachers in vocational college that having obstacle in preparing teaching aids on DMC 2113 direct digital control course for teaching and learning process.
Objective 1. Design a motorized damper controller using temperature and humidity sensor. Objective 2. Control the damper opening position based on 3 different temperature range. Objective 3. Determine the temperature, humidity and the position of the damper.
Method of preparation. Number 1. Using the motorized damper that is being controlled by the Arduino Uno controller. The damper movement are based on the surrounding temperature range. The temperature are being classified into 3 categories. Number 2. Using direct online starter as a circuit controller. Number 3. Using the temperature and humidity sensor.
Characteristic. First, using Belimo motorized damper. Second, using Arduino Uno controller. Third, using temperature and humidity sensor. Fourth, using direct online starter. That's all our presentation for this poster. Thank you.